This must have rocked the community there, Jonathan.
Morning, Sean. Well, this devastating loss of life is beginning to be felt, isn't it, by everybody in the country this morning, never mind how the people here feel like in this small rural Welsh community. I should just say that we are here in the village right now this morning because the farmhouse is still sealed off by the police. There's much forensic work to do there. I should just say as well that locals are saying that they believe there may well have been as many as 11 children in the house. So if 3 of those thankfully did escape, that means that sadly there may well be as many as 8 children who could have possibly perished in that fire. I should stress nothing confirmed though from the police in terms of numbers this morning. Locals though are telling us just what a doting father though Dave Cuthbert's son was. They say he loved his children, he was a great bloke, and everybody says that look, this is going to be widely felt, this devastating loss here. Overnight a Facebook page has been set up to raise funds for the family. People trying to do, of course, all they can to help. But Sean, how on earth does a family ever recover from something like this?